Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Everyday Until Switch Off. This is day 127, and today I'd like to update um, my old project. So the old project called datedriven, it is a habit tracker with like streaks. That's just basically like the main thing, where you could track your habit and then just like count the streaks and have it in a calendar. It's still on fully on web, but I really want to make it PWA so you can install it in your phone. But yeah, I'm having this issue where um for some reason the old database URL isn't working, so I couldn't run the local host. So what I want to do today is create like a local Postgres and then just use that for taste. Exactly, yes, for testing. So that's what I want to do. And let's just configure the OBS setup as usual. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. And I think we could probably test the new Cloud Cloud Opus, or because um yeah, this is my env variable. It's okay because this is for local testing, so I don't mind sharing it because it's local. And yeah, so let's just close this. We can close that. And then we can go to localhost 3000. And yeah, so let me use both my hand as of right now. Check. Okay. A mic stand would be definitely helpful. Okay, so I think I want to create a new Postgres. Okay, I don't know why that doesn't work. God, this song is a banger, bro. Panda Beats. This is one of your favorite playlists. Definitely. Okay. Let's see if it's able to. Will this work though? The neon database serverless. Okay. Maybe I could. Okay. If I want to test using local Postgres, should I change the result, or I can still use the serverless lib? I don't know if that would work or it will break or not, but let's just hope. We're not using... Okay, I want to see how much credit do we have left? How much token do we have left? I think we still have a lot. I think we still have like around... we still have... Oh shit. We still have 7 more. And if that didn't work, I'm just gonna use... okay. Environment based switching. Okay, I think we can do this. Yeah, I think we can change it to this because for some reason that didn't work. I don't know why it does this, because when I run it says that it's not installed, but I already run the app and it's able to work. Postgres, password, localhost, and my DB. Okay, let's try it. Create DB options. Create DB. Okay, create DB. Create DB. Let's name it datedriven dev. Don't see it. Oops. The dash, the 4\L doesn't do anything. SQL L. I keep forgetting the command, even though I should just remember it. For DB, list status, display tables. Okay, view schema. How do we? I forgot the command. Can I do clear? No. I don't see that, so let's do DT throws 8. Test. Okay, that's not good. Hello, hello, Alfie. Welcome. Sorry, I didn't see the message. I I don't the Tmax. For the WSL, I'm using Tmax, so that's why I could have a lot of this stuff. And like, yeah. The GUI, how do you open interface like connecting your live server on browser? Can you forward it into Windows or do you need to open the browser on WSL? Waktu itu pernah nyoba, tapi malah pusing. The live server, yeah, you can connect local hosts using like the WSL IP. It's sort of like the same. Like you can still use local hosts inside of um you can still use local hosts with WSL, so you can still access the project. What the fu- I am so confused right now. Yes, pusing keybind sama ya pusing keybind sama customize. mungkin nanti coba lagi Illustrator Manager next time. See if it's good enough. I think WSL is actually not that bad, I guess. I mean, I've never tried full on Linux as daily driver, so I don't really know. I wanted to, but maybe once I build a PC or something. Okay, it definitely does exist. So, okay. Let me. It's okay. It does exist. So, okay. I just need to log in as. Is that? Okay. Whoa, what? I didn't know that. Huh, that's odd. Okay. Sorry, I'm just looking for. I forgot my password. This is terrible. Is it just terrible? Is it? Is it that one? I don't know. Sorry, that's wrong. Are you serious? You know what? It's fine. We can just kill that pain. Then we can use sorry. I'm so confused. What was it that I'm about to do? Oh yes. I'm trying to use local database. Sorry, I forgot to make the Discord again, bruh. Yeah, definitely. It's the best enterprise resource planning. Do you have an example of like? To be honest, there is this one project that I'm working on, but I haven't. It's not finished yet, and um for sharing. Never mind. Never mind. Sorry. Hello, Vandermoust and Alfie. Yeah, I think I should use a password manager. I'll find a good one. Which one do you recommend? Is it Bitwarden as the password manager? Bitwarden, right? I'm... Hello, Jigar. Hello. You know what? It's been a while since I'm just gonna open the chat window here. Because for some reason that it's just... How are you guys doing? Wait, yeah, let me... I want to open it. I just want to open the chat. What chat? And just do that so I don't need to render the damn video. Bulwark post. Crazy. Our connection let me know. Thank you. What type of... What would... what type of connection are we talking here? If it's on LinkedIn, my LinkedIn is still shit and empty. I guess part of it is because of that. I've been procrastinating on actually making that. Can I finally make this work? Please. Okay, finally. Oh my god. Okay, sign in to get started. Okay. I don't think there is anything inside of the database. So, okay. So the thing that I want to do is I want to update a feature, and it's a request basically. So we can, I think the first one we can just sign up. It doesn't matter. Let's just name it test@gmail.com. Test 1 2 3 4 5 6. Test 1 2 3 4 5 6. Thank you. Discord is banned. Where are you? Really? Do you have... Oh my god. Okay, it finally worked. Holy sh... Okay. Why is it so bad? If I remember correctly, the design is not this bad. Okay, apparently it is that bad. Okay. It was sloppy vibe code anyways, so let's make it even sloppier. Okay, that sounds wrong. So basically what I want to do is to be able to view the activity. Let's just make this dark mode, even though I prefer the light mode better. So let's just create a habit. Let's add a category. Let's name it health. Let's see screen color. Let's change the emoji into sport. Or is it someone running? Do we have someone running? Yes, we do have someone running. So we can use add category, and then we can add activity, which is, let's just say morning. Let's just do like 20-minute walk. Category health, and then add activity, and there we go. We have activity for that. And then let's just try to add another category. Let's do learning. Let's change it into book, and the color is whatever this color is, magenta. Let's do that. And then add activity, read, practice writing German or something. From watching podcasts or something. Add activity, nice. And then let's just mark done. Let's go to home, and then we can see that we have made an activity today. Nice, right? Or not? Turkey? Really? Is it really banned in Turkey? I didn't know that. Okay, so the thing that I want to change is in the homepage, and it's in the heroes. No, it's not. It's not hero section. I should have moved the DB into some data access layer, but don't have time. Actually, I'm currently, I don't know if you remember a few I actually did made some, but I am still waiting for so this app is more like a dashboard, but it's still waiting for approval basically. So I couldn't really put it on my portfolio yet because this is still on progress. But yeah, it's basically like a dashboard to the client, basically, for them to be able to see the case of the company. It's sort of, maybe it's kind of an ERP, but not fully ERP. But yeah, it's currently in progress. As of right now, it's all dummy data, but later they have a backend dev that made the APIs, and I just need to fetch the APIs and display the data. So I only do the front end part. So a lot of the backend stuff is, yeah, they have a developer for that. But yeah, but so I wouldn't really call this like an ERP. I would say this is just a dashboard for one of their workflows, I would say. But yeah, I'm currently making this, or like I already made this, but it's currently only using static data, so not fetching data from any API yet. And yeah, so I'm waiting for approval, waiting for revision, things like that. What could be improved, what could be changed, and from there, we can I could continue to like put the APIs and yeah, connect it to the APIs realistically with like real data. But yeah, it's semi ERP, not fully ERP. I would say it's only like one part of it. Sorry, let's go back here. Okay, so the thing is, that's that date driven. That's only the header, the calendar component, and then the street counter. Street counter is this one. Okay, so it's gonna be full on vibes from here on out. So let's just do that. The next feature I want to implement to this habit tracker as requested by the user is the ability to filter the calendar component based on individual activity. So for example, so the current calendar only shows the streak off. The total completed activities. My user wants, how would I prompt this? For the date driven is using Next.js. True. I understand. No, it's just it's still web. It's still web. It's just that I make the design to be mobile because I want to make it PWA, so you can install it on your phone, but it's just technically running it inside of the browser. So I just designed it to look like mobile apps, but I want to make it PWA, but I haven't set up the PWA. Yeah, I haven't set up the PWA settings. It's just designed like a mobile app, but it's not really a mobile app. The next feature I want to implement to this habit tracker is the ability to filter your calendar. Based on the individual activity, the current calendar. Let's use plan mode first. Maybe we want to see the streaks. Maybe we could add some drop down or button to pick the user's activity to then be displayed Let's plan it first and see what's composer able to came up with. Zen browser. Do you think like Zen is stable? Like, do you think I really want to move away? I really want to move away from Arc. Is Zen okay? It took both goods out of Arc and Firefox. You know what? Let's try Zen, but maybe it's still beta, but I think it's okay, right? I think I'm gonna make a video about Arc first, and then we can start using Zen. I guess we can try to do that. Okay, so this is the plan mode. Add activity filtering capabilities to the calendar component. So users can view streaks for individual activities instead of just the total aggregated view. Modify calendar data processing to include activity-specific completion data. Make new data structure that maps each activity. Okay. Okay, I will use it. Okay, I will try. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's do it. I already created a new branch, so if there's anything wrong, we could just roll back. So that's good. Fighting with Chromium until death. Let's turn this off first so that no RAM usage would be wasted. Definitely gonna. Okay, maybe we can try then. I hope they didn't sorry, they didn't ditch us like how Arc did, you know? So it made let me check. It adds that. Front end to full stack, yes, correct. Or I even applied some UI UX as well because I've been trying to use Figma more as well. Ah, okay. It doesn't support PWA. Oh, it's okay. Okay. That is a lot of okay. A lot of this error is that I don't understand why it causes a lot of this error. So okay, this is the calendar. That's a select. Adding those. Nice. Okay, there's a lot of error, but it's a div. What do you mean it has implicit type any? Did I set up the TS config wrong? This is not. It's a div. It doesn't have type any. I don't understand. Okay, first before we would run the lin command, so that it would tell us you can develop software without front end, but you can't without backend. True. Okay, did I set something with the yes lin? Ah, okay. I mean, like, I'm still gonna use Chrome for developer tools. Sorry, for like testing and everything. I'm still gonna use Chrome, or I might move back to Edge because Iliera. Did I configure something wrong? Because it's not supposed to happen. I think there's some wrong config with the. Okay, you know what? We can just give this a try, shall we? How can he be confused? Okay, is it? I see. Okay. Okay, I do not want it to. Okay, you know what? Actually, it's fine to be on top. Let's do a 20-minute walk. It's not completed. For the practice writing German, it is completed. So that is actually nice. Yeah, this is basically it, to be honest. That's what I want to add. I guess we could just commit it. Um, I guess. But there is one other thing that I really want to set up. So the PWA, so that it would be downloadable. Um, but I want it to be a different branch. Let's just make a Discord right now, okay? Is there like a template where we can use? Wait. No, I think I've already made. Okay, you know what? I think I already made it before. Wait, let me try again. I think I already made a Discord one time, but let me check. I'm gonna try to. I think I already made one, but I didn't edit the thing. You know, I don't know. Let me try to create a new one. Okay, yeah, I did. Wait, yeah, disable. Let me try this. Okay. I think I already made it before, but for some reason the settings is not configured correctly. Let me try. Um, server boost, server settings. Let's name it. What should we name it? This is apa aja dulu. It's like an old thing, but damn, I already made it July. Okay, let's name it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a vote. I'm gonna make a poll. We're gonna rename the server to whatever is yeah, whatever it is that you guys pick. Okay. Oh shit, not this. Okay, I like full stack of pancakes. I like printf and giggles, and then 44 no chill. What do you guys think? Let's poll it. Start a poll. Let's name it Code Everyday Bros. Okay, I want to make it something funny. I'm gonna let you guys pick it. Okay. 404 no chill. We have printf and giggles. That's actually kind of nice, but this is actually my favorite. Full stack of pancakes. You guys pick. I made a poll, so you guys could pick. Please, anybody watching this, just pick. Okay. I forgot. Was it? Do you guys remember? Apa ya namainnya ya? Yaudah deh kita namainnya. Ya udahlah, gini aja apa aja dulu. That's like a good name. The thing is, there is sort of like a, I don't know, like an error or something, or I couldn't really. Okay, there is two other members. Roles we have. Okay. Backend dev, game dev, mobile. Okay, well, actually no. This is already has some stuff. Okay, I'm gonna create invite link, and then I'm gonna put it in the description. You guys can refresh and check the this video description. Yeah, you guys could join there. Go ahead. Okay, that should do it, right? Yes. What is this Fortnite? Accept quest? Look, it's been a while since I used Discord, so I'm not entirely sure how to do it, yeah? For never say goodbye. Okay, there is a, okay, this was made like years ago. No, a year ago, but I forgot it even exists. So you guys could just join and just, yeah, go ahead. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's not this one. Sorry, back to date-driven. Sorry, I'm getting distracted again. It's actually already kind of what I want. Why is it locked? Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Is it permission? Private channel? No, it's not private channel. You could just open it. Save changes. I do not want this to be private channel. Why is it like? Can I make the whole thing not private? Is there like a way to do that? You know, let's just do it manually. Permission. It's not private, so it's fine. Was it all private, bro? Like, I do not want it to be private. Yes, that one. Seribukan terlalu sedikit, satu terlalu banyak. Communicate with get? Crazy. Channels followed. How do we get one of those like, oh, you guys could pick this role? Okay, I'm gonna try to look that up. What is add? I'm gonna put that down, yeah. Let's just put the name there. Is there like a way to make this, to automate this? I already put the invite code in the description, so you guys could. Okay, full stack of pancakes is okay. There's only like 3 people voting, so that's just yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna. That's why we need moderators, of course. It's permission. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go to like some documentation or something like it to like check how do we customize things like this, but yeah, that is for later. Could we put the what's it called again? Activity filter. I want to put the activity filter below this actually, so I think we can do that, right? That's that's the code. Will that work? Yes, that works. Okay, so yeah, this is actually correct. This is what I want. Okay, it doesn't really have let's just add border 1. Select the child component value. Select size trader. Can we add class name to this? Border? That's a real class? Okay. No, you can't actually. Okay. Okay, never mind. Did you guys able to unend? Hello. Welcome. Add the role. What role do you want? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna find a way where you can like pick your roles in here, but I don't know how to do that. Is there like a create poll, use apps? What is use apps? Oh, is there like a role? Okay, yeah, you know, 1 second. Let me try to fix this. This doesn't look like all activities. Oh, okay, it won't stretch. It's fine. Okay, that doesn't look that good as I... Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. Can we do that? There we go. That's much nicer. Yeah, okay, that's what I want. Yeah, thank you. Maybe not border 2. Let's just do border 1. That's actually much nicer. More. Yeah, that is much better. Okay, nice, cool. Okay. Now, how can we make it so that it would be able to attach to, like you can download it on your mobile phone. How can we make that happen? Yeah, that I'm gonna need to ask Claude. We could make Telegram as well if you want. Or what is not block? Or we can make like WhatsApp group? Like WhatsApp group? What about WhatsApp group? I want to create a text. It's gonna be called alert. Is there any like alert? Yes. And this is going to be stream alert. So I hope you guys don't mind if I you guys wouldn't mind if I spam. Okay. Steam alert. True. Yeah, true. I mean, like, we're not gonna be talking about anything sensitive, right? Or you know what? It's fine. Privacy. That and shoots. That's very good. What did I have? True. To be honest, yeah, I would agree. To be honest, yeah, true. I agree. I would agree. Okay. Do you guys want to see uh my rejection email? Let's okay, you know, I'm just gonna commit this, let Copilot do its thing. If there's problem, we fix it. If there's no problem, it's good to go. So we can do this and then feed, add activity toggle, activity filter in calendar. Commit, and then we can let's see my rejection email for today, shall we? I mean, I already got like 2 or 3 in the morning, but I think I got a few more today. Yeah, sure. Wait, yeah. Let me finish this pull request first. Let me how like what should I create a new role for moderator? Add role. I'm gonna make you management, if that makes sense. And do you want to be developer? Hey, it's okay, man. It's okay. I mean, like, is there like a reason why is it banned? Is it because it's used as like criminal stuff, or I don't know? Is it? Looks pretty good. Let's ask Copilot to review it. I hope. I use Vercel just because. Let's see the rejection email that I have. I hope I didn't leak anything private. Probably will, but there's a you can access like a Discord server database there. Okay, let's see. Oh shit. Oh, it's just a unfortunately your location cannot be considered. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I don't mind. Sorry if this is too bright, but I kind of want to show you guys how incredibly um sad it is. Rejected it. Okay. Most of the yeah, haven't really replied. There is I did 2 interviews, but I kind of just failed both. So that's that. Okay, that's actually ready and it's nothing breaks. That's good. Let's just make sure everything is working as intended. And after that, we could trust me not to. Well, I mean, like, it's not really that. I wouldn't say that. I mean, like, there's nothing in here, anyways. Like, yeah, I mean, there's like nothing here. There's nothing here yet, so. No, just building township project for fun. I was playing like Flash. What? Why got revoked? What did you got revoked? Cat likes food. has to be some wrong configuration setup that causes all of this error that just doesn't make sense. Should I probably close it first? Let's close it first. Can I like ping everyone? I can ping everyone. Thank you. Okay, nice. I'm gonna ping you guys on Discord, so sorry if it's loud. They just gave teams restructure and no project for now. And so, bad luck, I guess. Well, hopefully all of us could finally get a job or like let's start from the top, the review by Copilot. So the first thing that we need to change is in the calendar. It's a it's just the same. And then for the result, okay, I think I'm gonna close Discord for now because I couldn't. You know what? It's fine. You know, it's fine. I don't care. It's fine. It's fine. This project is just super messy anyway. So let's just merge, do that, and then we can just continue to how can we make this installable on your phone. There's actually one more thing that I'm worried about. It's just that since using Next.js, it's super slow when navigating between the pages. So I guess it was because of that. A SaaS of building SaaS application for small scale business. I'm building that next. Like a lovable clone? Is it like that? Something like that? Ooh, building some resume builder. Nice, nice. I'm guessing it's not like lovable. Could be different. Sorry, there was a You just need to be super specific. By the way, building a resume because all the free ones, I tried asking money. Yeah, yeah, I understand. Like using resume builder with AI stuff or just regular. Sorry, I was just trying to focus on this, man. I don't. Oh, we got 6 votes. 404, no chill. Actually, gets the most. Okay. Sorry, I. Ooh, nice. Which AI do you use? Thank you. How do we pull, git pull? So just P, right? So, okay. Oh, this is odd. So what can we do? Has anyone have had this problem before? Gemini, nice. Nice. This might be a bit harsh, but can we do this? Okay, we can. Yeah, I think it's just crashed for some reason. Let's open the terminal again. My keyboard went off. So that's why it wasn't functioning properly. You know, let's just do this, change it to cable, and then we can just do that. How about that? There has to be some sort of wrong configuration that make this doesn't work. Sorry, let me handle this one moment. Yeah, definitely because of that. So I guess there is something wrong with the plug. Are you serious? Okay, there hit. I think one of my USB cable is broken, and you know what? It's fine. What we can do is let me do this first. I think it can still do. Yeah, I can understand. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. Okay, sorry. Let me try that again. Maybe if you open VS Code, it would help. Okay, it can, because the Git, yeah, this one already connected to my GitHub, yes. There we go, that's nice. And if we check here, and we go to Git status, it's gonna be, do that. So we can do Git branch, hd, feed, activity filter. And now we can try to, yeah, you know what? I let's see if Opus is already here, or we can. What is this? Oh, this is from the old history. Okay, let's waste some credit. Which one should we use? Opus. Okay, we got Opus. We can use Opus, right? Okay, let's add contacts. Let's add the app. Let's add the. Do we have? We can add the 000, which is the PRD. We could add, I don't know, the package.json. I just want to tell it to go through every single part of the app, to be honest. Do we have some navigation component? Homepage component. Nice. Homepage, nice. I want to make the next part of this app is to. Hello. Okay, sorry. This is gonna be stopped very abruptly. There's an emergency with my housemates, so I'm gonna need to solve that. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and good luck for everyone. I know the job market is shit. Everyone is just taking crap at this point, but hope everyone still have a great and amazing day. And it's the middle of the week. Tomorrow is Thursday. I hope everyone have a great Thursday and the rest of the week. Yeah, I'll see you hopefully tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, then in the next 2 days or in the next 3 days. But I really wish I could just stop streaming and change the title to finally got a job. Yay. But not yet. But gonna keep trying, gonna keep doing, join the Discord that just created. But okay, let's end the poll. Let me check the poll, okay, before I end it. And then after that, I'm just gonna end it, so because emergency, okay? Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Hopefully have a great day, evening, morning, anywhere you are in the world. Okay, so 404 no chill is still the name suggested. I'll keep that in mind. Okay, bye. Let's end the poll. And yeah, that's the winner. 404 no chill. Got it. Okay, see you later. Bye.